In this video, you'll learn about the Study Skills course. As a new student, if you click on My Courses, you'll see that aside from the courses that you've enrolled in, there is an extra course called the Study Skills course. This is a free mini course that all students are automatically enrolled in. It was designed to enable students to develop academic skills such as taking notes, referencing, academic reading and writing, and other skills that can improve their learning effectiveness, attitude, and motivation. As you can see, this course does not have any exams, so you'll not be graded on it. However, I strongly advise you to go through the course to learn about the skills that you will need to succeed in your studies.